Hello. Sorry that I look like I came out of a chimp's ass, but people have told me to make a Let's Play video, and I do not have the right technology, so people don't have to comment down below saying, you can't make one, this is terrible, you just have a camera on a tripod. What the hell? Yes, I'm aware of that. I'm doing this just to show people I can't really do a Let's Play video because I don't have the right technology. I know what you need to. The HD converter or something like that, and you connect to your TV and it costs about $200. I don't have that money, and I don't want to be the next PewDiePie or Tobuscus because I do not like those YouTubers, and I strongly don't like Let's Play videos because they just annoy me. So I'm making one only because I'm showing people that I don't like making these kind of videos. This is not me. This is not like my style. So my camera, if it dies in the middle of it, I apologize because I didn't realize it didn't charge and I just set up everything, so I'm kind of angry. It was just chaotic. So I apologize if this randomly stops and at the end you get, sorry, ran out of battery. So yeah, I'm gonna make a new account on Animal Crossing and we're gonna sit. So, see, I can't talk today either, so don't make fun of my speech impediment, please. Do what you want, when you want there, whatever you want. Yeah, living on your own is being free. It feels great. But living by yourself can be a real drag too. Still, if you got some really tight friends somewhere nearby, then you know it'll all work out. Blah blah blah. Yeah, man, friends are cool. Oh, I kind of rambling. My bad. So, are you ready to hop on and go for a ride? I'm ready to go. Oh, I almost forgot. You'll enjoy your time in Animal Crossing. And all this, that. Later. Oh God, this pussy. Come on. Ugh. Excuse me. Do you have a second? Could you help me out? Is it like, let's see, I can't read out loud. 4:55 p.m. on a Saturday. Why is it 2 hours and no? What, it's not? No shit. Whoa. Hey. Joystick. Oh God. I have a crappy controller too. Are you kidding me? So far, when I was been playing this game, it's not the game, but every time I play this, I always have struggle playing GameCube because I never have the right controller. My last one I got at the con, it worked at first, and then it just, now it doesn't work at all. This one, my friend gave it to me, said there's a joystick problem. Okay, so I used it today, earlier, in the day before, and it worked perfectly fine. But apparently now it doesn't like this part. So for now, let's see, it's in military time. So 12, 1, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. No. Come on, no. Can you? No. Come on, I just want to change to 56. Come on. One second. Fixed it. May. No, it's not May anymore. It's June 1st today. Hey. First. 2013. Okay. Yes. Okay, you can sit there. Go over. Thanks again. It's sure nice to meet friends and folk on the train. You aren't psycho, right? Just kidding. Say, by the way, what's your name? I'll name myself Faggot. No. I am not homophobic in any way, and I'm happy to accept everyone. It's just that word is just so funny to me. Faggot. Now that is an odd name. My opinion means, do you like the name Faggot? I think I'll be a girl. Oh god, now I sound like a homo. See, if I said I'm not a girl, then I'd be like a homo, and then that would be offensive, really offensive, because well, my destination. About my anus. I forgot, this one, you can just do it all younger. I mean, lowercase. Fine. You're going to my anus? Yes, that's right. Hey, I know that place. My anus is one of my favorite vacation spots. So, what are you going to my anus for? I'm moving. Moving, huh? I hate moving. Pack boxes, unpack boxes, never ends. Where's your new place? Leave me alone. Don't tell me you haven't found a place to live like. Of course you have. Who? What? You haven't? You can show off with no place to live. Oh, of course, duh. A good friend of mine runs a shop in my anus. Right there. I forgot to do one more negative thing. Beep boop boop boop. Hey there, Nook. It's me. So what's a good word? You're not fucking Nook. It's faggot. I like how that pig thing keeps falling asleep. Like it's like, dude, I don't know where I am. When it wakes up. I'm back. Did you miss me, Mia? Oh, good news. It sounds like you're ready as new. Yay! Brooks wrong. Upload. You have money, right? Just a little. Why do I look so helpless? Alright, something else. Excuse myself. Looks like we're about to pull into my anus. Did I mention I love this place? Remember, things are never as bad as seem. Honestly, good luck. Maybe we'll reach each other again sometime. Well, bye. Oh, Tom Nook's he's gonna be like bitching at me. What do I look like? Yay! I wanted this character. My anus, now arriving at my anus. Welcome to my anus. Watch your step. Eek. Awesome. I like this character. I look a little Asian. I'm looking on the side, but it's okay. Excuse me. Hey, you. I should make it like a creepy sound. Actually, no. I sound like a weirdo. That's why I never make these videos. Wouldn't your name have to be Faggot? Good. Just don't have to have a phone call about you. I'm glad I'm out here at the same time. Randall, my name is Tom Nook. I ran down your shop. Just to be in. It's the craziest things of madness right now. Whoa! Don't laugh. Don't laugh, you bitch. I'm on a diet. That's what we should do. Let's go. Let's go. Well, hell, don't you shy. Also, take your pick. Nobody look inside. I really don't mind. I always choose a certain house. I always choose this one, only because it's on a good location and I like this corner. So no matter what, I pick this house. And plus it doesn't matter because all houses are the same. As you hear this. So yeah. Oh, I like it. Yeah, here's good. Okay. That house belongs to you, faggot. What a happy day for you, it's certain. I'll tell you. I should name my character Nigel. I don't see you. I'll pay up some bills. Oh. Groid. Truly must have. I'm just kind of fast forwarding through everything. Yeah, you're fat as we know. Let's go. No, thank you. I like my character. I like faggot. Time to try this. I'm just gonna meet everyone in the town at first. Oh. There's two people here. Let's see. Fuck. And where's okay. Oh, here's some people. Sorry. Find your house. Oh, hippo? Okay. Rolo. No, I'm just kidding, no. You look from around here, aren't you? Blah. It's nice to meet you, faggot. By the way, my name is Rolo. If you ever need me wandering around here, be bashful. Just come and say, okay, hi, brah. Oh, come on. Oh, a duck. It'd be so funny I had like a deep voice, because certain characters have a deep voice. There's only that one character. I can't wait to find them. But regardless, you say you're a faggot? Huh? Ha ha ha, what a childish name. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Mallory. Well, you're going to tell me how lovely my name is? You know, there might be hope for you. She seems like a bitch. Fly. Run, run, run. Crap, I don't know where else I'm going. I think there's one. Yeah, okay. Oh, God. Oh, this is the... Found the guy with the deep voice. What's wrong with you? You're wasting your whole afternoon chatting with strangers, busy strangers. Can you see I've got work to do, punk? Sure, I overreact a little sometimes, punk. So I wanted to say hello. Besides, we're just to meet today, I'm Spike. Okay, really creative. Ew, wait. Does he have like a shaved... Oh, Spike. You do. You have like a shaved head. Okay, come out. Oh, okay. I remember Rosie. Okay, she's alright. Well, you are very silly. I do a really high-pitched voice. Still, I haven't met many of your friends lately, so I guess we can hang out, silly. My name is Rosie. What's your name? Okay, faggot. I'll be sure to remember that. Nice to meet ya, silly. Okay. This way, I believe, is the wishing well. Jesus Christ. No. No. This way is the wishing well. Do. Here we go. Oh, I have pears for my... Oh, okay. I hate pears, but okay. Oh, it's a museum. Yeah, okay, this down here was the wishing well, I believe. And... yeah. Oh, what are you, whippersnapper? Tell me, what do you respect the most? That's a good youth. I live for the young generation. This pains the old heart. I do too. Russian sprout, what's your name? Faggot, eh? Ah, she human. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, bye. Now I have to go back up to A1. Because I have to go to Tom Nook, but there's one more house on the way over there, I believe. So I have to go all the way to... oh, where I met Rosie. I'm just gonna follow up the road. No, it's a dock. And now I need a ramp. This way, Tom Nook actually asks you to meet everyone in the town, so this way I could just kind of talk to him after. So I don't have to, like, find anyone during the town again. Making my way downtown, running fast. Anything to dump? Nope, not at all. Wait. Damn it, it's right there. I gotta need Buck. Buck! Let's see, okay, now over the river and through the woods, 2 bucks, house we got. Hitting up that later. Over the river and through the woods, 2 bucks, house we go. Whoa, that thing, I like that hill. Oh, I'm gonna steal things from Lost and Found and lie that they're mine. Yeah, this is mine. Yeah, it is a promise I'm stealing your shit. I don't care where it is, I'm taking it. So is that one ugly shirt though. Do-do-do. Thank you very much. They look like... no! Okay, and then... looks like floor tile, or like something you'd find in a church. Look at this. There we go. Oh, Buck's a horse. Pissed off at me though. I'm Buck, what about your name? Right, I got you, faggot. Okay, faggot, let's be pals. I'd rather give you a town partner. Alright, time for Tom Nook. Got rid of the cockroach. My last town was much different than this, but I like this one even better. Ooh, okay. Okay, he's making a change. Ooh, fabulous. Go back. Ugh. Go plant shit inside. Oh. And there it goes. That was one of my cameras. So yeah, there's my Let's Play video. Woo! Sorry, this was shit. So never again am I doing this. Maybe you might have liked this and for some odd reason want me to do it again, but with better technology, but I don't want to do get into these, only because I don't want to be the next Let's Play person, and those are, because they're most of them really obnoxious. The only person I watch is Kawaii Piranha. And just look him up and then find his second channel, because he has really funny videos that he does. So yeah. He actually did one like this, and he named it My Ass. So I kind of based it off of that and did my anus, I guess. Alright. Bye, and I'm sorry I haven't been really on. I'm playing this and all other things. So,